So hello everyone, now I'm going to explain the code for my practicum number 7, Employee Record System using arrays and strings. This program helps to store and process employee details like ID, name and salary using arrays and strings in C. So here's the code. This line includes the standard input-output header file, which allows us to use functions like printf and scanf for displaying messages and taking inputs from the user. So we start the main of function. We declare n and I as integers to store the number of employees and use as a loop counter. So id of 50 and an integer array to store up to 50 employee IDs. Name 50 and 30, a 2D array to store up to 50 employee names, each up to 30 characters long. So salary of 50, a float array to store the salary of each employee through fractional values. We also declare total, average, max and min for calculations. So here is the code, the printf and scanf. This asks the user how many employee details they want to enter and stores that number in its variable n. This for loop repeats for every employee. Inside the loop, it first takes the employee ID, then the employee name using the string array, then the salary, and each time a salary is entered, it's added to the total. This way, by the end of the loop, total will be hold the sum of all the salaries. Here we initialize both max and min for the with the first salary value. This is done so that we can compare other salaries with it later. This loop, the second for loop, is the highest and lowest salaries. If any salary is greater than the current max, it updates max. If any salary is smaller than the current min, and it updates min. So after the loop, we get both the maximum and minimum salary values. So this line calculates the average salary by dividing the total by the number of employees. This part, the printf and scanf part, displays all the employee details one by one. It prints each employee's ID, name, salary neatly in the tabular format. The format modulo 0.2f ensures the salary is printed with 2 decimal places. These lines, printf and scanf, totally displays the total, average, highest and lowest salaries clearly at the end of the output. This makes the end of the program and indicates it ran successfully. Thank you.